Yeah, time to use this bad boy scraper. Went to the store and got this puppy here. Now this, you can adjust the length of it. You just kind of put your foot on it, unscrew the thing, and then this handle will slide up and down. And you want it something to where it feels comfortable to you, and then you just twist it, and now it's a full length scraper, however long you want. Now see how the handle is at an angle, or the head is at an angle to the handle. You see that? And so that means as I'm scraping, and by the way, it's a brand new sharp blade, and when they come, they have these flipped around, and then there's a red cover that snaps on there. You've got to undo these screws and then flip it around because it's nice and sharp here, and I got an extra 10 blades, or actually 20 blades, because I've got some more scraping to do. And before I start with that, you remember this other floor, I was using this scraper here. And if you didn't see that, I've got videos of that. And see, I've been scraping that there. It used to look like this here. And I sprayed some cleaner on there to soften it up. And then I scraped that, and as a matter of fact, I sprayed it again. And this part right here, I still have to scrape a little bit more. Okay? And that's what I'm going to do with that small hand scraper. But phooey on that, enough of that. Because that scraper was working, I thought, well, I might as well get the big boy and scrape that, because not only do I have this hallway to do, I've got this other room here to do. You see all this? Yeah. So with that little hand scraper down on my hands and knees on my knee pad, you know, that's taking a while. And I thought maybe I could get up the majority of it with this big scraper first. I'm trying to minimize the work, and plus it gets me up off the ground because I can stand up and do this. Okay, I'll show you how to use this in a minute.